Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are here, you're probably wondering, how did I get these crochet braids? How did I do them? So if you stay tuned, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. This is a very simple process. You don't need a lot of materials or anything like that. And instead of buying them in a store, why not do them yourself? You in the house anyways, doing this coronavirus situation. So you could do a few different braids for the summer, protective hairstyle. Like these are for my daughter that I'm doing. So I'm about to show you guys how simple and easy this is. It's very simple. Alright, let's get into this video. So let's talk about supplies that you need. So basically I got a drawstring from like one of my kids' jackets or pants. Or you could use like a charger cord if it's like one of those thick charger cords. Whatever you can find that's gonna wrap around the chair or whatever you're using to hold it in place. That's what I did. You can even do like an extension cord, really. Anything you can find that's gonna be sturdy and that you could tie up and do it. So that's what I did. So I found this old cord, drawstring for my kid's jacket, and that's what I'm using. And the other things that you're gonna need is, of course, hair. So this is the hair that I use. This is some really cheap hair that I got from my local store. I think it was like $2 a pack, or less. Okay. The reason I bought it is because I didn't want to spend a lot of money, and also the ends are pre-stretched. Okay, so that's really good because I didn't want to spend my time doing this. This is just a simple crochet for my daughter. I didn't want to spend a lot of time doing anything because schools is not out, but the coronavirus thing is going around, so I just wanted her to have a like protective hairstyle. So again, this is what it is. It's easy yaki braid hair, and this is a 54 inch. The one I have is 84. I'm about to do that later for myself. So yeah, I'm just want to put a protective hairstyle. You're gonna need some grease, okay? Some Blue Magic, back in the day, whatever you want to use. This is very good to keep the hair from freezing up. This is very good. This is very good to use from the hair to stop the hair from freezing up, and also make it more manageable. It's not gonna cut my hands or hurt my hands when I'm trying to braid it, because this hair is not very good quality. This is some simple hair. Okay, so that's what I'm using, and also just in case you might need combs, but I only really use this one because they get tangled kind of fast, so you're probably gonna need something to detangle it. Yeah, so that's basically it. I'm just gonna show you how to put this on here. Okay, it's a very simple process, so I'm just gonna show you really quick. So once you get your hair out the package, you just want to put some oil on it. Okay, that's what I did, and you simply separate it. Separate the hair to the size that you want. I kind of like already pre-did mine, prior to this video. Of course, you could tell because I have a lot of braids. So basically, you get the amount that you want, the size that you want, and let me zoom in really quick. Again, so you want to put them together, put it under, and then put this one through here, and you pull it, and then you separate the braid to the you separate the braid to the three separate pieces. Oh shoot. Then you separate the braid to the 3 separate pieces. This hair is not good. And then you start your braiding process once you do that. And I mean, anybody could do this. This is not a very hard process. So sometimes my daughter do this and keep her busy, but today I'm gonna do it. It's just simple process. Just want to braid it all the way down, braid it all the way down, and once I get to the tip, I'm gonna show you how to lock it in place. So she want the braids, the ends, she want the tips of them straight. So I'm just gonna braid it down all the way to the end. And once you get down to this point right here, you just simply want to get like a long piece of hair, like maybe like 3-4 strands of hair, and simply tie the hair. Okay, just do it like 3-4 times, and that will keep it from unraveling. So I'm done cutting, I'm done braiding the hair. So since I'm done, what I'm gonna do is simply trim the hairs. It's best if you start from one end to another. So meaning you don't want to start in the middle. Okay, you don't want to start in the middle and trim the hair. So I'm just gonna start from one end to another, to trim the hair. Okay, so just get one. It shouldn't be a lot of hair on it because it was already pre-stretched. So I'm just gonna simply trim these hair here. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's best if you would use a shear. Okay, but this is what I have. Okay, and this is what I'm gonna use. Alright, so again, use whatever you got. It's not really a big deal because I'm about to put this in hot water. I'm not a pro in cutting anything, so this is just something I do on my spare time. You just want to repeat this process until you're all the way done. Every last one of them. It don't have to be perfect. And once you're done, you're just gonna take the tips and dip them in hot water. Once you're done trimming everything, just gonna take the tips and dip it in hot water. So I'm gonna come back. I'm just gonna simply trim these out and dip it in the hot water so these could be straight and not see the frizz. So when I come back, that's all should be gone. And I'm gonna dip it in the hot water and show you what it looked like. And so my water is not boiled completely yet, but it doesn't matter. I just needed some hot water. So I started the process, but I forgot to record. So I'm going to do it again and show you guys. So basically, just get your hair, put it in a little bundle. Like so. Right? If it's a lot, you can do it, you can separate, of course. But simply just dip it in here like this a few times. And get your towel and stuff ready, okay? Ah! I'm gonna burn myself. Don't mind my tablet. That's my sister's on the phone. So yes. Yep, so I'm all done. This is what it looks like. It's not as frizzy as it looked before, right? So I trimmed it and I put some water on it. So if you guys have any questions about this hair or anything I could have done differently, please comment down below. Okay, I'm work in progress. Okay, and once you're done with this, you could use like the little you could cut it or use the little shredder, the little hair cutter. I forgot what it's called, but I have one. But you could just use one of those. Again, if you have any questions, just comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.